Pronto, Casey Concepcion and Eric Santos. In Pronto song, cover with Eric Santos, ang mga fan ay na-impress dahil sa magaling daw ni Casey. Nasabayan niya si Eric Santos. Galing, di ba?
Barely even friends, then somebody bends unexpectedly.
Just a little change, small to say the least, both a little scared, neither one prepared. Beauty and the Beast, ever just the same, ever a surprise, ever as before, ever just as sure as the sun will rise. Oh,
sa akin hindi ko masyadong alam mo. Yung early. Ikaw ito eh.